Hi everyone, this is the sprint review retro for 152 and the forecast for sprint 153 of SugarLearning project. This was a 1-week sprint. The goal was to complete testing on SugarLearning China. The developer testing was successfully completed, and we have a number of bugs to fix before we can go to broader office testing. Attendees as listed.
And
There
Chris
are
Clement.
There are 131 hours billed by Baba, Tino, Charles, Ozair, and myself. In terms of the main items, we had the developer testing conducted for SugarLearning Chinafy, and the item summary change set data alignment. So this is to clean up the user interface for the items, the change set summaries. In terms of sprint down of the burn down and dashboard, we achieved 64% of the work that was initially planned with 5 commits. Line coverage has decreased slightly from 25 to 24.9%. During the sprint, there was 1 deployment to global production and 2 to China production. In terms of application health, failed requests decreased from 154 to 561. And total unique users remained the same at 105. Authenticated users decreased from 58 to 53. The China firework decreased. The epic for that decreased from 84 to 81% due to bugs that we found during the sprint.
With that one, the other teams, Nick, are showing the before and the after image. So they just get the image from the prior one.
For the epics? Yep, we'll do that.
It's just easier to read. Yeah.
We did not do any experimental work this sprint. As to what went well, completed developer testing for SugarLearning CN. And what didn't go so well, the old SugarLearning CN server was shut down prematurely without anyone being aware. This will feed into
and Jim's going to investigate what could have been done, so we got a warning.
In addition, we will be looking to prioritize liveness checks and dashboard in the next sprint. The Tino noted that it took longer than expected to update the Kendo grid for his UI update. And I noted that
what are we on the latest version for Kendo now? Tino?
Yes, we are. It's just that when it comes to the update, I think it's meant to be more of a CSS thing for specifically the reports page, and that took a while for me to get it to the point where we want it, where it looks presentable in the UI. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
In terms of improvements for the next sprint, ensure that it's not possible for
the lost members. Who did we lose? Charles.
And Ozair. He's on leave.
Oh, he's on leave. Okay. All right, good.
Improvements for the next sprint ensure the new SugarLearning CN system cannot be shut down without notice.
Okay. All right.
For sprint 153, sprint goal is to add dashboard and availability testing for SugarLearning China. This is a 1-week sprint review meeting on the 23rd. attendees as listed. And that is the major item of work. We do have some additional items to resolve bugs found in SugarLearning China, or resolve bugs and issues. This will include adding a flag to enable or disable smashing barrier.
Yep.
As it has not yet been internationalized. Collect usage statistics for smashing barrier. And then we have cleaning up fonts and visual items on
So
SugarLearning China.
Can I just confirm, we only have one package in the project for Kendo. We don't have the old version at all, do we?
We'd need to get back to you on that one.
Okay. Well, does anyone think they know?
When you say one version, are you thinking about multi-package different version and package a different version?
I'm wondering whether they've left the old version of Kendo in there and they've added the new one, or whether they've added the new one and got rid of the old one. Yeah.
I
Tino,
believe we've gotten rid of the old one.
Okay. All right. Kendo, Tino, if you could confirm that Kendo question to all of us, including Chris, that'd be great. Just send an email.
If I remember correctly. Okay. Didn't Drew use worked on the Kindle version before? Yeah, right.
Who?
Okay. Drew?
Who was that? Drew? Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, but you can still check. You can ask Drew yourself to check that there's no old remnants of Kendo.
Kendo. Okay. All right.
Yeah, I guess this question stems from that previous PBI in the spread where the Kendo grid was upgraded, sir.
Yeah, like it's
no, the grid itself was not upgraded. Rather, I shall. So we have this nice done video where you'll see here that the items for the summary of the user edit history has been updated to ensure that all the numbers are lined up. It'll be easiest if I pull up SugarLearning directly and provide the direct example. This is an intermediate fix for the visual representation showed for the size of user edits. So if I go there, search. This will take a moment, but what we'll see is that all the numbers are now lined up correctly, whereas previously they were not. This provides a better visual cue as to the size of the changes without going to using bars, dots, or other visual representation. We do have a spike for further improving the visual representation of the size of these changes.
So it's already using Kendo grid, but it's just it has a lot of visual bug and workaround.
Yes.
Right?
Yes. So you can see here that we've got all the green numbers, all the additions are now lined up to the right. All the removals are lined up on the right. It's the same for image changes as well. So that was the change that Tino made. This is what we did not upgrade the Kendo grid package. We only amended this Kendo grid.
Okay, all right. Maybe some different language.
Yeah. So no version, anything like that has been changed. So yeah, it's only just an UI update on the grid. Yeah.
Maybe so, upgrade is not the not a concise word for it. Maybe something like make the table beautiful or polish the table. That would be a less
improve visual appearance. Yep.
Right.
Yeah.
So now that we actually cleared up this misconception, do you still want me to ask or investigate on the Kendo version?
Yes, you may as well
Adam.
just confirm, but there's very
Right.
low chance there's a problem. But I just want to know, is there any remnants of the old Kendo stuff anywhere? And are you on the latest version of Kendo?
Okay. Okay.
In Ask Drew.
All right.
That's good.
Yep. Adam, are you happy with that forecast for 153?
Yeah, it's excellent. Yep.
All right. This video will be uploaded here later. Gentlemen, see you all next week.
Thanks, Nick.
All right. Thank you.